Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can capture a screenshot on the iPhone 13, iPhone 13 Pro, or the iPhone 13 mini, or the Pro Max. So first let's go back to your home screen and open up an app that you want to capture a screenshot, or open up a Safari app. In here, browse to the web page that you want to capture the information, and to capture the screenshot, you want to press on the side button and the volume up button. So press on both keys at the same time. Okay, so let's do it now. Press on both keys simultaneously and hold and let go. So you want to press and then let go like this. And immediately you can tap on the preview window at the bottom to open up your screenshot. Now because we are pressing it simultaneously at the same time, so you can see in here it captures three screenshots at the same time. And then you can tap on the up button up here to copy, print, or save to file. Okay, so here we got three different screenshots that we have just captured. And then tap on done, and it said save to photos, save to files, so we can save to photos. Okay, so let's open up photos and see our screenshot. So let me just find photos. Here it is in recent, and down here you can see it has captured three different photos, and that's it. So that's how you can capture a screenshot on your iPhone 13 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.